Welcome, friends! Wanna hunt for the best deals together? Subscribe to join me and check links below. Busy professionals battling dull, dehydrated skin and women in their 30s dealing with early fine lines are the prime audiences for COSRX Snail Mucin Repairing Serum. The formula, packed with 96.3% snail secretion filtrate, instantly quenches thirsty skin. Think of a morning commute where a quick splash of this lightweight essence leaves a natural glow without any greasy feel. Perfect for a makeup-free office look. For moms juggling nighttime feedings, the serum's deep penetrating mucin delivers lasting hydration, so cracked cheeks recover by sunrise. Sensitive skin users also benefit from the dermatologist-tested hypoallergenic blend. A simple patch test ensures safety before the serum's soothing action eases irritation and restores elasticity. At 100 milliliters, it offers a budget-friendly staple for any Korean skincare routine.